Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Ko Dr. Rapata wiri tēnei e mihi atu nei. Kia aroha mai e hoa mā kua roa te wā. My apologies, my friends. It's been a long time since I've posted on Facebook. But I have some exciting new announcements for Reo Ora. Firstly, we have Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori coming up on the 11th of September to the 18th of September. And as part of our celebrations of Te Wiki o Te Reo, we are launching a new Intermediate Level Te Reo textbook, Level 3, where you can learn more advanced sentence patterns in Te Reo Māori. The other exciting announcement I have to make is this. We have a new AI feature on our app, which is a traffic light system that measures your pronunciation. Green means you said it right, and orange means you almost said it right, and a red light means you must try again. So that's the other exciting thing I have to share with you, e hoa mā Te Wiki o Te Reo, our new API, and our new book. Nō reira, he rangi mokopuna tēnei I Rotorua. It's a beautiful winter's day in Rotorua, outside the Rotorua Museum. Rangi mokopuna is a new word, which means a beautiful day in the winter time. Nō reira e hoa mā, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa, ka huri.